Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Today's an exciting day. Bella got her tires and wheels. So what we're gonna do is...
And the basket, is this all dirty?
Yeah, that's all dirty, lady. Now get to washing. Come on, jeez. So, we're gonna do a little movie magic, make this quick. We're gonna get this truck. Val, show them. Point to your tires. Nope, don't show the. Turn it back. There you go. We're gonna get these wheels and tires off of there. So there's a before. Look sad. What a huge difference already. Look at that. Look at the girth. Girth Nation. Look at that puppy sticking out. Look at that. Val, what do you think? Look at you compared to the wheel. You're so small. Alright, Belle. Wheel it over. Put it on. Come on. You got it. I don't think you can handle that, huh?
No, it's a little heavy.
You sure?
Up.
Yeah, you're good. Alright, Belle. You got the tire up, you got the jack stand in. Let's
this way, right? This way?
Yeah, but use the...
I know, but it goes
Let me see. Other way.
this way?
Yes. See that?
Yeah.
Now hand screw each one on.
How much?
Just a little bit, like a couple turns. Get them all on there. Now, one of the things I did, I put a locking. We have locks on each one of these wheels, so if anybody wants to steal them, good luck. I already put that on for Belle. Right? Right. So, the idea... The idea of this whole thing is to teach Bella how to work on trucks and how to work on her truck, but more importantly, how to use tools, because she's never done this before. So we're gonna give her a chance to get this wheel on. So far, I'm really proud of her. She's doing a hell of a good job. So let's see how she does. All right, Belle, grab the gun and zip them on. Remember, diagonal pattern.
Doesn't matter which one I start with.
Doesn't matter where you start. Now see where the gun is right there?
Mm-hmm.
When it zips in, it's going to hit the wheel. So you want to turn the gun. Nope, other way. Right there. So make sure it's on. There you go. And zip it on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good. Got diagonal pattern. Nope, that's next to it. Go to the diagonal. What's across from it?
That one.
There you go. Now look where the gun is. Where's it going to hit? There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Good. Next one.
Which one?
Pick any one you want. Just always the next diagonal one. So go. Keep going. Good. Cross. Look where the gun is.
Good.
Nope. Look where the butt of the gun is.
That one?
What's it going to hit?
The wheel.
Yeah, so to keep turning. There we go. There you go.
This way?
Was it going to hit the wheel? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Zip it. Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Is that it? No.
Nope. There you go. Now hit every single one again, one last time, and set the lock.
Good, right?
Yep. Nope, it's not on. Make sure it's on. Turn it so it locks. Keep turning, keep turning. Like this, baby. I'll show you. Yeah, turn that. There you go. See that? See how it's sat? Mm-hmm. There you go. Lock it up. Good. Of course, it's hot out today. It's not hot, it's a little warm, so I'm sweating a little bit. But thanks a lot again to MLA Customs. If you guys need your truck work done, lifts, whatever it is, they've helped me out tremendously. Shout out to Rod, let me borrow his truck today because we don't have a truck. Get all this crap there and forth. So, how about how'd it come out? Yeah? All right, we're gonna drop the truck. All right, Belle, pull out the jack stand, drop the lever.
Up, right, or
Yeah,
down?
lift it up. Boom, pull it out. All the way out, all the way out. All right, next you gotta drop the truck. Grab that handle, turn it to the left. All the way, keep it going. All right, drag it out. All right, there's the truck. What a big difference. It looks mean now, huh?
Taller.
Taller, about 3 inches. Looks like a mean truck.
So angry.
Ozzy's angry. All right, cool. Now,
Yeah.
you know what you should do?
What?
Start your truck.
Okay. Do I have to do the thing where it sits for a few minutes and then...
Just a second, just a couple seconds. So the furthest you've driven this truck has been what?
Forward?
2 feet? Not even 2 feet?
No.
Pull it up. See, now it's different. Is your blinker on? I think your blinker's on. Up. Oh. There you go. Can I drive? What? Turn it. There you go. Just straighten out. Put it in drive. Pull back towards you and look for the D. She doesn't know how to put it in drive, but she's gonna drive this truck. Just go forward a little bit. Oh, take off the emergency brake. Push it all the way down. It'll click and release. Go forward. All right, brake. Back up. Holy cow, there you go. Brake. All right, so we have Rod's truck just to give you guys an idea of size-wise. Check it out. What do you think? Val, stand next to him.
He's so much taller now.
Val next to Ozzy. So we just took it for its first drive since the accident and
Nice.
kind of heard some stuff. A lot of turbo, little release, so we're gonna have to take it to Mike and figure that out. But thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to like. Likes are free. Help us a lot. Trying to become famous. You know.
You know how it is.
You know.
Little Hollywood status.
Love you guys. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.